Hello YouTubes, good afternoon. Today we are seeing another type of our side dump trailer which is in front of us. This is our domestic requirement, and we have another brand called the Lianyu, which is a huge bull. And as always, we can see the air connections here in the front. And this is the supplying line and the control line. This is red and this is yellow or blue. This is the electricity 7-pin socket. This is the ABS socket, and this is the ABS light. We have the diagram and indicator here in the front. And this one we put the nameplate here. It has the VRN number here, and also we have the VRN number in the left and right side. Those numbers are very important when you are getting a license from Chinese government. Okay, we have the light. We haven't finished the installation yet, but you can still see the reflector and the side indicator. Also in the top we have two. Driving in the evening, it will show the other drivers how height and how wide your trailer is. On the top you can see that is a canvas bucket. You can put your canvas or the other device in the front. And this dump trailer is only dumping to one side. It's different from the other one we see before. It can dump the left and right, both sides. This one you can see this side is not designed for the dumping, and here is the safety. When you are dumping, you open the safety, put it out and put it here. So the safety device now is open, so you can dump to the other side. We have one here and one in the rear. Put it back, same. Okay, let's see the other side. In this side you can see it is the same design as the previous one we were seeing. When you open it, it's a safety, and open all of them and remove the pin here. And this would be the hinge, and the door would open like this way. Open this way. If you put it back and put the pin back and open here, so the drop side would go like this way. So it's a double way designed drop side. In this post we have our advertisement word called a very strong semi-trailer. Now let's see the bottom. Okay, that is a hydraulic cylinder, and that is easily seen 3.5-inch campaign. And here is the maintenance gap we are saving for the mechanic. Also, we are using the two-side operation landing gear for the purpose which our client asked, one-time use. Okay, so this side we have many different safeties. We need to lock it up when you are operating it. And now you can see more clear of this cheap aluminum landing gear. And here is the side protection and toolbox with our domestic brand name on. And also we have the rubber cushion to prevent the damage of the drop side hitting the side beam. So when the drop side fall off, it touched there by destroying the side beam. Here we have the side light, and we have the triangle tire, also with the following pattern. This is detailed information of the triangle tire. In this side we can see we still use the Fuhua axle for our client, and we still haven't painted the axle and leaf spring for our client because it does not necessary. This trailer will run inside far from the sea. If we continue to go back, we can see a hydraulic lag, like this one here. People may ask what this lag is for. Okay, let me explain. When you are dumping cargoes from the inside to the side, if it is sand, for example, it will bury the rims and the wheels. You cannot drive through, so you need a landing gear to push it. Then your trailer would move to the other side. It's like people are moving their legs. The design is the same as the last dump sand trailer we were seeing, but this is only using the one side, so it's only tipping to this side, but we still use the same. Okay, now let's see the back side of this trailer. The trailer, you can see, is having the beautiful design, black and red. Very easy to recognize our visual identification. And also we have the two reflector, huge, back over there with the light and triangle reflector and our brand and the reflector, the license light and the license plate here. The rear bumper here to prevent the accident. And also we have two cushion here because the rear bumper is deeper. It's black color, you cannot see it. Now this way you can see it easier. That's why we put a cushion here to prevent the rear side wall drop to the rubber. Okay, now here is our brand. The client in China, they can easily call the number and get in touch with us. Okay, this is the operation gap. We haven't put the operation gear on, but this is to show you where it is. We are going to operate the trailer. So here is another side. You can easily see it is a normal drop side design, so it does not tilt to this side, only tilt like this way. Cannot do this. Okay, let's go to the bottom of the trailer. Now we're at the bottom of the trailer and we can see it's the same design as the last side dump trailer we were seeing, but inside is different. A little bit less complicated than the last one, but strong lift springs and the strong pad, U-bolt lift springs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces, 4 lengths, and we still have the small gear here. Same automatic slide adjuster for the Chinese domestic market, and the camel shift to the inside for the braking pad to brake with the braking drum. There, fixed torque arm and adjustable torque arm. So when your axle is horizontal, it does not need to do anything with that one. So if your axle is getting a little bit slider than before, so you can adjust over there to make sure it is parallel again. So it is always in the right side of the trailer, because in China we drive in the left, so this side is the road side. Okay, this is the air reserve tank. It's too huge to get into the screen. And there is the ABS and the emergency valve. Here we have the 2 double air chamber and the red line between them, the rubber hose to prevent the shaking of the axle. If the axle moving up and down, then you would have those. Okay, we talked those many times. Let's get out and get to the top of the trailer. It's a dump semi trailer, which you can see different than the trailers we were seeing before. Why they put a rod here? Because they are lashing the left and right post as one piece to make it stronger. The red color you are easily seeing is drop side, is side wall, and the black color is the post. In the front, we use the steel sheet to seal all of them. And the bolt you are seeing is fastening the canvas bucket here. That's my head. We leave a hose here to make sure the water goes off. Okay, this is how it looks from here. Alright, so as always, nothing to see in the top. This is the locking device for the drop side in the right side, and this is the locking device which is different, you can see, because we do not tilt to this side, we only tilt to that side. The cargo inside here would goes to the floor over here and not there. Okay, it's time to get off. Now we are getting off from the deck, and the black color is very beautiful combined with the red color. Same, we put a 600mm sign here, and we have many other things, information wants to tell our client, those Cooper joint, and that's our brand, the better semi-trailer. And we use a particle painting against the rust. And this is the number of this post. It is right 4 and right 3 and right 2, right 1. And here we have the phone number in China, and this is many drivers would recommend this. And we would test our trailers inside of our factory. Once it's passed, we put one here, and here is another. It says by Chinese it is less maintenance, more operation. This is a VRN area. You can check the VRN inside, and we put a plastic here to protect it. Okay, I think that's all for this trailer today. Hope you guys all enjoy our video, and see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.